Hello everyone, welcome back. So as you can see, we are here with our new Ripstick wheels, and as I told you in the last Ripstick video, I will be replacing them, and so they finally came, and I finally have time to, put them on and look at them. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to turn it over and, open it, because that's, logical. It does have two staples, one at the top, one at the bottom. You can buy these on Razor's website for, it's like $16 plus shipping, or no, plus just tax. Shipping's included. It ships with UPS SurePost, so UPS ground ships it, and then they transfer it to the United States Postal Service to finish delivery. And so as you can see here, it comes with two wheels and two Allen wrenches. Those Allen wrenches are the same size. So we're only going to be using one wheel. Sorry for shaking a little bit. We're only going to be using one wheel. And so once I get my Ripstick, what I will show you is that on the back you can see that wheel. Let me get a better view. On the back you can see that wheel is like totally ruined. You can see how on the new wheels it's like bad, like nice and pristine. On the old one it's horrible. I just did thumbs up and thumbs down. The front wheel, you can barely see that. I'm sorry. But that looks, a bit worse than these new wheels, but it looks pretty much like it. So I'm going to put one wheel off to the side. Once I'm done, I was just kind of choosing which wheel. And here in the instructions, it tells you to use the Allen wrench, one on each side to take it apart. And so the problem with this is it was on there really tight. So what I had to do is I had to use a wrench to kind of pry it off. So this is just me trying really hard to get it off, but it didn't work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop here, and then we're going to skip over to once I have it on. Alright, so we're back. And as you can see, I have the wheel on. And just a reminder, subscribe and hit the bell. Just support the channel. And so as you can see, I have it on. Look how nice it looks. And then it turns nice and smoothly. The bearing is new, all of that. And so that's really good because it really helped. And this one I hand tightened, so hopefully if I ever have to replace it, it can go on really easily. And so now, as you can see, here's that older wheel. You can see it's a lot shorter. It's, all the rubber's been worn down to plastic. Here it's in like a square formation. That wheel was not doing good. So right now, we're going to skip over to outside, testing it out, seeing how it works. So we're going to go there right now. Alright. So now I'm getting on. As you can see, you put one foot in the back and one foot in front. And as you can see, the wheels kind of look different, but it's a lot smoother. Trust me. If I'll have the other video linked in the top right, and you'll be able to see, just how much worse it was. And so, yeah, so what I'm going to do is you can see it rides a lot easier going down this hill right here. And then it also turns a lot better, which is really nice. It does still make some noise because there's still some grit and stuff in the bearings, but it's a lot easier. And so now I've stopped, and you can see the front wheel. So the front wheel, the thing is you push all the weight on the back, and that's how you turn, so the back wheel gets worn down a lot quicker. But as you can see, they look a lot smoother, nice and pristine. And so now I'm going to get back on. One foot in the back, one foot in the front. And as you can see, I've got that little GoPro mount in the front because I mounted my GoPro if you watched the other video. And yeah, so short video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell. I hope you liked it. That's all it is. Just watch some other videos. See ya.